Hey, this is Sell This Now. Every day I'm looking for new products to sell. So here's my top winning products of the day. Our next product is the WINDPROOF foldable stove burner. Now this product is a problem solver, it definitely has that wow effect, and it's a good product to sell during the summer season as people like to go camping during this time. And it obviously falls under the camping niche market. We also think that this product has a broad market base. Now this is not a new product. I saw it last year and it was trending last summer. And we think that this product is perfect for a one product store or a camping niche store. We also think that this product has a lot of untapped potential. So far there have only been a few orders on AliExpress, so you can definitely take advantage of this. Now the selling price for the WINDPROOF foldable stove burner is just under $25, whereas the product cost is only $11.57. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $13.42. Sell this now! Our next product is the portable USB rechargeable neck fan. Now this is an obvious problem solver, it's a quirky product with a wow effect, and it's a perfect product to sell during the hot summer season. Now other portable fans with different shapes sold very well in the past on the market, and we think that this product has a broad market base, and it comes in different colors. Now this product can be branded, so it's perfect for a one product store. And finally, it's a proven seller on AliExpress with thousands of orders. Now the selling price for the portable USB rechargeable neck fan is just under $25, whereas the product cost is only $8.36. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $16.63. Sell this now! What if I told you that you were leaving money on the table? Did you know that you can get a percentage back for every order you make from AliExpress? Introducing Backit. Backit is the easiest way to take profit of the AliExpress cashback system, and it's totally free. You just have to register, install their Chrome app, and now every time you pay for your orders, you will get a percentage back. No BS, no hassle. I've been using their service for months now, and so should you. I mean, free money. Hello? Click the link in the description to start earning your cash back. You'll thank me later. Our next product is the Tactical Tourniquet and Trauma Shear Bundle Kit. Now this is an obvious problem solver, and it's another good product to sell during the summer season because people will go trekking or camping, and this is a good safety tool. And this product falls under the survival camping outdoor niche market. And there are different packages available, so the average order value will be higher than your call price. And it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. And this product has a high perceived value. Now the selling price for this product is just under $25, whereas the product cost is only $8.20. Shipping will set you back $3.06, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $13.73. Sell this now! Our next product is the Z-shaped camera tilt head. Now this is an obvious problem solver. It's a good product to sell during the summer season as people will go out more and take more photos during their holidays. And the photography niche is a very passionate market, and people tend to spend a lot of money on their hobby. Now this product has been around for a while, but it always seems to sell well. And it definitely has a high perceived value. And finally, it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. Now the selling price for the Z-shaped camera tilt head is just under $30, whereas the product cost is only $10.30. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $19.69. Sell this now! Our next product is the 4D Lash Extension Mascara. Now this product is a problem solver. It definitely has that wow effect when you see the demonstration of the product in the video ad. It falls under the makeup beauty niche market, and we also think that this product has a broad market base. Now, other lash extension products were top sellers in the past on the market, and this product comes in different packages and offers available from the supplier, and it's the perfect product to advertise with Instagram influencers in the beauty niche, and this product is targeted at women. Finally, it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. Now, the selling price for the 4D Lash Extension Mascara is just under $18, whereas the product cost is only $16.89. Shipping will set you back $2.12, so you're looking at a profit margin of $1.58. Sell this now!